When you're the serving team, are you having a difficult time judging if it's the right time to run from the baseline to the non-volley zone? Stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson. Here at Better Pickleball, we're dedicated to helping players over 50 live their best lives on and off the pickleball courts. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. One of our VI Pickleball students asked about the transition from the baseline to the non-volley zone when you're the serving team. How do you move forward? No doubt about it, it's a learned skill. You have to be able to judge based on what you see your partner do as well as what you see the ball do, if you can move safely to the net. This is one of my favorite drills to help you to learn that. So here's what I'm going to have Lori do. I'm going to feed to her. She's going to hit a third shot drop into the kitchen. After she hits the shot, and before the ball gets on this side of the net, she's going to say yes or no. Yes meaning that ball is less attackable, that I have to hit up on the ball. Or no, meaning that it's above the net. So we want her to say that out loud, okay? Are you ready?
Yes. Every day.
Yes.
9, 7,
Yes.
1.
Yes.
9. Oh.
Yes.
I don't think
Yes.
this one.
No.
9, 7, 1.
No. Okay, she did pretty well on that set. Good job. Okay. If you'd like some more pickleball drills, make sure and click on the playlist over here, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.